warming up, warming up. I'm warming up for my video. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am unboxing my new Teddy Blake handbag. It's still in the box. I haven't opened it up to take a look at the actual bag. I did open like the top of it just to make sure that it is what I've been waiting for. We're gonna open it up together. Can you believe it? I haven't taken a peek at the bag. I want to thank Teddy Blake for hooking me up with a bag with any style that I wanted. I literally was able to go through their website and pick the style of my choice, which is, I'll show you in a bit what it is. It's been like my go-to bag for the past decade, almost decade. This will be my second Teddy Blake handbag. I had one earlier before this. I gave it to my mom. It was like a mini. It was super cute. So I can tell you that Teddy Blake really does represent fashion at a fraction. Fashion at a fraction. That's good, huh? You basically get a luxury handbag without that ridiculous price tag. Who doesn't like that? That's what I've been looking for. It's really hard to find a bag these days where you get quality, but you know, you also don't have to spend upwards of thousands of dollars on a bag. It's really hard, trust me, to find a quality bag with a decent price tag. So I'm really happy I get to open my new bag today, because I was on a hunt for a new bag for a while. Just in case if you guys are feeling like, you know, I might be interested in this bag. I'm also going to leave a link to their website in the description below, and also subscribe to their newsletter so you can keep up to date with their sales. They always have sales. They have a sale going on right now, and they have a new collection that comes out every month, I believe. So keep your eyes open for that. Teddy Blake basically has a team of designers that have worked for other luxury brands as well, and they have come up with some amazing designs. You'll notice that when you go through their website, they have so many different designs, styles. Their bags are so colorful, radiant but elegant at the same time. The bags are made in Italy in the same factories as other luxury brands as well, but no compromise on quality, durability, style, design. There's no compromise at all. And I noticed that with my previous bag that I have or had. I gave it to my mom. They have a sale going on right now, so I feel like I'm gonna have to go back and get another bag for myself, because I'm sure my mom's gonna really like this bag. Okay, so let's just open it up, because I've been waiting a while to do this. Let's do this. Okay, so here it is. I'm trying to just take it out of this box here. Give me a second. Yeah, I literally just ripped the cardboard box, and voila, this is what we have. The Teddy Blake. Oh, look at the box. It's so cute. So let's open this up. It says Teddy Blake New York designer handbags made in Italy. Luxury leather. Awesome. Okay, so ooh, it's wrapped so nicely. Let's open this sucker up right here. Okay, so this is what it comes in, this cute little bag. Let's open it up. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand right now. So I'm trying to get in here. Ooh. Focus, focus, hocus pocus. Okay, this is better. I'm using my tripod now. So smart. Okay, so I'm taking it out. Oh, it's so cute. Here it is, my new bag. It's so cute. Teddy Blake. And look at the strap here. It's adjustable. And look at the details. Oh, just the golden details. I like the bottom. I like that you can just kind of like set it down like that. And I like this right here, easy to open. So I just kind of slide that down, open it up. See, it has the red inside. I was saying that their bags are super colorful. They have many different like colors and all that you can pick from. I'm just trying to take this this stuff out. Paper. Oh look! Oh look! It comes with a little, like a mini wallet with the zip. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. I can put like my cards, some cash in here. Keep it away from the kids. Oh, this is super cute. It's very spacious. There's like so much space in here. I was saying earlier that crossbody bag is my go-to bag. They're super spacious. You can literally throw everything in here. And you guys know that I always take a lot of stuff no matter where I'm going. I'm always prepared for anything, for like a disaster. So this will be nice for me. So this one it's a nice bag. I love the color. I almost always go with a black bag. All my shoes are black, my coats. I don't know what it is with me, but I just love black. I feel like you can really do anything with it. The only thing is that this bag doesn't have an exterior pocket, but because it does come with this, it's fine. It works for me. If you're interested, check out their website. They have many different styles: shoulder bag, crossbody bag, clutch, totes, minis. They have everything. The sale right now that they have is, I believe, 70% up to 70% off their bags. So if you're shopping for yourself, or you're even looking for a gift for someone or a present, I think this would make for a beautiful present. Again, don't forget to check out their website. Link is in the description box of the video. And I will be back again with more unboxing videos, because I have been doing a lot of online shopping. Matlab a lot. I've been doing more online shopping because of this pandemic, the COVID that just won't leave us alone. I've been doing that, shopping online, and I'm excited to share more with you guys. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.